Hello, I am Tatiana, a Florida certified teacher and a test prep expert with study.com. And today, I'm going to share some things that I've learned to help you become a certified teacher one day. We're going to take a look at some test questions from test code 052 of the FTCE Family and Consumer Science 6 through 12 exam, looking specifically at the subtopic knowledge of nutrition and wellness. All right, let's get started.
A person suffering from anemia should increase their intake of vitamin C, iron, vitamin D, calcium. Anemia is a condition where a person has low red blood cells and can cause fatigue and weakness. So let's keep that in mind as we are looking at these answer choices. Vitamin C helps boost the immune system, but does not directly help with anemia. So this would not be the correct answer here. Iron is essential for making hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in red blood cells. Iron is essential for making hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in red blood cells. So we'll hold on to this one. Vitamin D. Vitamin D helps bone health, but not red blood cells. So this one would not be the correct answer in this case. Calcium. Calcium is important for bone and teeth, but does not help with anemia. So this answer choice would not be correct, which leaves us with iron. Iron is the best choice here because it is critical for red blood cell production. A person eats a turkey sandwich on wheat bread and ends up with severe abdominal pain. Which of the following disorders do they most likely suffer from? Looking at this problem, we want to first point out what the person ate. They had wheat bread and are now having abdominal pain. This is very important. This suggests that they may possibly have some type of gluten or wheat sensitivity. Our answer choices are reflux disease, diverticulosis, irritable bowel syndrome, celiac disease. Let's take a look at reflux disease. Reflux disease causes more heartburn, not abdominal pain from wheat. So in this case, this would not be the correct answer. Now we have diverticulosis. Diverticulosis is related to fiber intake, small pouches in the intestines, not specifically have anything to do with wheat. So this would also be the incorrect answer. Irritable bowel syndrome. This can cause stomach pain, but it's not directly triggered by gluten that is found in wheat. So this would also be the incorrect answer, which leaves us with celiac disease. It is an autoimmune disorder which gluten damages the intestines, leading to severe pain. So in this case, the gluten found in the wheat bread is known to trigger severe symptoms, in this case, the abdominal pain. So this person may be suffering with celiac disease. What is released during exercise, making it an effective stress reliever? Cortisol, endorphins, peptides, tyrosine. We want to first point out here in this question that we're looking for stress relievers after exercise. Let's take a look at our answer choices. Cortisol is a stress hormone that actually increases with stress. It has nothing to do with relieving stress. So this would not be a correct choice. Endorphins. These are known as the feel-good chemicals released during exercise. They also reduce pain and they boost your mood. So we'll hold on to endorphins for right now. Peptides. Some people's bodies are affected by peptides, but they don't really directly hit stress, or they don't really directly relieve stress. So this would not be the right answer choice. Tyrosine. It's an amino acid that is involved in producing neurotransmitters, but it is not directly related to stress relief. So our answer choice here would be endorphins. Endorphins are responsible for the feel-good emotions that you feel, helping you to relieve stress. Andrea's doctor advised her that her blood pressure levels are concerningly high for her age. He suggests that she follow the DASH diet. Which of the following items should Andrea mainly focus on reducing in her diet to lower her blood pressure? Fat intake, potassium intake, salt intake, sugar intake. This particular diet helps people with lowering their blood pressure. Let's take a look at the answer choices. Fat intake. Reducing fat can help heart health, but it is not the main focus of this particular diet. So this would not be a correct answer. Potassium intake. Potassium actually helps lower blood pressure, so she should increase it, not reduce it. So this would not be the correct answer as well. Salt intake. Too much salt causes water retention, increasing blood pressure. This is the main target of this diet, so we'll keep this one as a possible answer here. Sugar intake. Cutting sugar is good for overall health, but not the primary concern of blood pressure. So this one would not be the correct answer. Salt intake would be the best bet for Andrea here. As she reduces her salt and the sodium that she takes in, it will control her blood pressure.
Thank you so much for joining me today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more practice questions and also to get notified when more videos are posted. You can also check us out at study.com for more practice materials, testing strategies, and tons of resources to help you get ready for the test. Hope to see you next time.